course. Alright, everyone, family and friends. It is my birthday, but guess what? My family are here to surprise me. And I have been patiently waiting. I just can't hold myself. And you can see even now, I was told to keep my eyes shut. No peeking, I was told. So I am following. Hopefully I don't stumble. Because hey, as you can see, the queen in her rightful tiara cannot fall down. Okay. Keep coming.
Yeah. Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Should I really?
Yes, open them.
Really excited. I don't want to open my eyes anymore. Open it up.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Please, find me.
Oh,
Find me.
with a peacock fan.
Thank you, my princess. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, wow. This is beautiful. Beyond belief. Oh, love it. Love it. Love it. And of course, my peacock fan, quite befitting. Thank you. Cuts. Make a wish first.
Where are you from? Oh, blow the candles.
Blow the candles with me on.
They need more power. Use your big power.
Or I'll just blow it down.
Oh, it's already blown down the numbers.
Oh wow.
All right. Woo! You got this. You got
Joella, hold
this.
the plate for Glenn.
Oh, what a beautiful cake. This cake
Joella,
is
quickly. Don't let it
filled
fall.
with love. It's filled with caring. Woo! Wow! Beautiful. This is beautiful. It is beautiful as the one that made it. Thank you, Ose, for making this cake, and of course, Grandy Joella, my princess. Woo! Much love. Let's do this right, okay? Much love. Mwah. To family, friends, to my beautiful God endowed children, for giving me the best birthday surprise. Once again, every year they keep surprising me. I love surprises. Keep it coming, guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am so thrilled, filled with joy right now. It's unbelievable. You know that song that says joy overflow? Yes. Joy is overflowing, overflowing, overflowing. May God continue to guide you all, keep you, establish you, so that you continue to flourish in your life, and you also shall receive even as you continue to sow. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. To my viewers, my well-wishers, thank you. Merci beaucoup, Obulu, for everything, everything, everything. This is breathtaking. But I shall live to testify, to glorify God's name, because He is awesome. One word. Awesomely, awesomely, awesome. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's dig into the cake. Okay. First of all, this cake, the color, beautiful. It's kind of pink with some dark pink specks. Strawberry, and the coating, vanilla, white chocolate, and of course some chocolate, dark brown chocolate. Guys, I can't wait anymore. Just have to dig in here. All right, it looks so soft. My gosh! What did you put in this cake? Love. Did you guys hear that? She said love. She flavored it with love, and of course love is sweet. Love is delicious. Love is it is only yum, yum, yum. Oh my goodness, no, you gotta taste this cake. It's not even like sponge cake at all. It is not dense. It is like velvety. And then the white chocolate. The crunch white chocolate. My God. Sorry guys, I have to finish this. It is just so good, so good. I am usually not a very big cake person, but this, wow. Thank you. And I'm gonna take some of the chocolate. Woo! Wow! All right, good people, don't just keep looking at me. Come and take a bite. Come and take a bite. Please. Can I have the one of the strawberries? Of course. It's my birthday, so I got to. Chocolate coated strawberry. In one word, decadent, beautiful, and tasty. Oh boy. This is just too good.
Jabella, go fan her.
Too good. And you know what? What is really so mind-blowing is that I knew nothing about this at all. Nothing. Surprise is good, oh. And it's lovely. Thank you, my darling. My princess. Much love. Woo! All right. Wow. Sorry, I'm back to the cake.
Are we done?
Once I finish with the cake, it's gonna be music and dance. So wherever you are, keep dancing, keep moving, keep celebrating that life that God has given you. Yes, it is a commitment. You have to celebrate. Celebration, come on! Woo! Do do do